Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to compare different cryptos on the Coinmarketcap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First you open the Coinmarketcap app, and then you will see at the top the compare button. If you tap on it, here you will see these statistics, and you can choose any cryptos from the world. All of the cryptos are here, so you can choose any of them that you are interested in. Then you can compare them based on the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 30 days, last 90 days, the last year, or all-time comparison. This is how you can compare them. So this comparison is regarding the price. Let's compare it to Ethereum, for example. This comparison is regarded the price. Here you will see a lot of other explanations and details and data, which can be interesting. Then you can check also the market capital. What is the market capital of each currencies? Last hour, 24 hours, 7 days. Let's see the all-time market capital for each cryptocurrency. As you can see, Ethereum is growing faster than Bitcoin right now. And you can also check the volume, how many of each cryptocurrency are in circulation. And obviously for all of these details, you can choose the time interval that you are interested in. This can be very interesting and helpful if you are researching cryptocurrencies, if you are planning to invest, or if you already invested in some of the cryptocurrencies and want to learn more about the market. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.